how to collaborate during design project.
In any design project, especially in branding, it is super important to be highly collaborative because branding is not just simple design, it's the identity of your business. If you get it wrong, it can harm your business substantially. So there's a process that we like to follow in our branding projects, and it works really well. And I would like to go over it really quickly so you can follow it in your next branding project. So the first step in that process is just ask questions. Just ask your client who they are, what they are about, what their business looks like, what are their strengths, weaknesses, and problems they are facing, what are their goals, what does their market look like. And when you have all of this information and very deep understanding of their business, you go out and try to find as much information about their market, their competition as possible. Once that is done, we come back, we process that research, and we present the data to the clients to understand if we are on the right track. We touch base with client on every step of the process because to minimize the risk of making mistakes, and everything is placed on its own respective stage. Then after the market research and client's approval, the next step is to build design directions, which starts by researching what's available in the market, what their competition looks like, what are their some of their industry norms. This gives us a really good idea of what we should and should not look like. How do we differentiate from the competitors while highlighting their strengths? After that, we build mood boards and we come back to them, to the client, to show what it looks like, what their brand could look like. And on this step, we get their feedback once again to say exactly what they're looking for and what they like. All of us have different words for different feelings and styles that we like, which might seem very intuitive, but all of us, each one of us, like thinks about it in a different way. So just putting something visual out there and getting their feedback makes the process a lot smoother. And once we have nailed down the mood board and we have approval from the client, we move forward to the actual design exploration part where our designers build something that is unique to their business, and we get feedback, we make those changes if anything's needed, and then we move forward to finalizing the brand and applying it to all of their collateral like their presentations, brochures, websites, and everything. This entire process will help you make sure that you know exactly what your clients needs, requirements, likes, and wants are. It also helps your clients be in control and be very happy, satisfied, and comfortable.